We'll guide you through how to add brochure in WhatsApp Business. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many business owners want to promote their products more professionally using WhatsApp Business. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp Business on your smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, open the Google Play Store and download WhatsApp Business from there. However, because I have previously downloaded it, simply open the WhatsApp Business application on your phone to continue. After the app is opened, you will see 4 main menus at the bottom of the screen, namely chats, calls, updates, and tools. Tap the Tools menu to display the available options in this section. Inside the Tools menu, tap Catalog, then select Add New Item to create a new product entry. Next, tap Add Photo and Videos, then choose Gallery to access your saved images. Select one of your product images, then add a brochure containing high-end smartphone products, for example. After selecting the image, tap the checkmark icon, then tap Send to upload it. Now write the product name, for example iPhone 15 Pro Max 256GB series. You can fill in other information such as price or description, but in this example it is left blank, then tap Save. Tap the product you just created to make sure the brochure has been attached correctly. After confirming, go back to the Tools menu to use another alternative feature. Scroll down the page, then tap Quick Replies. Tap the plus icon to create a new quick reply, then type brochure in the shortcut section. After that, tap the camera icon and select the brochure image that was previously uploaded. Tap the checkmark icon, then tap the checkmark icon again to confirm. Once everything is set, tap Save. Go back to the home screen, then open an incoming chat from customer. Try replying to the message by typing /brochure in the message field. Select brochure from the suggestions, then add a message and send it. Adding a brochure in WhatsApp Business has been successfully completed.